Oh, hey guys. So yeah, it's been a while, been a while. So yeah. So for the post, I don't know how long since I posted my first video, but it's been an amount of time. Yeah, so I'm on Facebook and stuff, and yeah. I haven't posted a video in a long time. I've already said that, but I don't care. Anyways, I'm kind of bored. So, this weekend, was amazing. So, Friday, I got to skip like half school. Like, no kidding. Like, see, at our school, we have like 4 lunch lines, which is like 20 minutes each lunch line, and like 5 minutes in between each lunch line. I think, yeah, that's so totally right. I think so it adds up to like an hour and a half. I don't know, not sure, but anyways. So yeah, there 4 lunch lines, 20 minutes each. Yeah, 'cause that's a long time for you to let someone eat. No, not really, not at all. Oh my veins. Anyways, so yeah, me and my derpiness today. Well, earlier I was derping a lot. I finally made a video on my YouTube account. Yeah, yay. Woo. But anyways, yeah, you just have to watch that to see how derpy I have. Anyways, I'm gonna take my glasses off, so there's like no glare in my eyes or whatnot. I'm so bored, if you can't tell. But yeah, I haven't really listened to the vlogs lately. I know Maddie introduced herself, and Sky made another vlog video. Yeah, anyways. So happy Mother's Day to everyone that who is a mom and whatnot. Yeah. So, my question, even though this is kind of early on in the video, usually, later on in the video, I ask the question. Oh, no, not today, though. See, I'm derping. Anyways, so what is the weirdest, craziest, stupid, and or um, well, stupid and dumb are kind of the same thing, but I'm gonna go with most dumbest thing. I don't even know what's the correct word for that would be, but we shall not get on that subject right now. No, not on English, on how to speak and whatnot. Anyways, back to the question. Yeah. What is the dumbest, stupidest, weirdest, craziest Mother's Day present idea you've ever had? And or had and actually went through with it. So, yeah, there's my question. Anyways, about my weekend. So, well, actually, I kind of got off topic. First of all, I get off topic a lot. You will learn this throughout the over the summer, past weeks, and yeah, next few weeks, past days, whatever you want to say. Anyways, so I got to skip like half of school. Yeah, because archery's that awesome. Anyways, archery is becoming a sanctioned sport for this next school year. Just thought I might add that. Guess you guys really want to know about archery anyways. So, got to go to archery. Yeah, I didn't actually shoot though. No, none of my teachers know that. They think I actually shot it. Except for my archery coach. He knows I didn't. But yeah. Anyways, half day school gone. Didn't get home until like 7 something. Actually, I didn't even go home. Went over to my friend's house, Carly. Spent the night. Was only supposed to stay there until Saturday. Nope, I stayed there until today. around like 2ish. Yeah, and then had to come home. So we realized that after spending 2 days with another crazy person, that, well, not really crazy, but random and hyper, and yeah. Anyways, spending that amount of days with one of your best friends who is equally hyper and crazy as you get bored easily. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, my weekend was great. How was yours? No one else will really answer this in the comments because no one cares. No one likes to comment apparently, except for the other members of the vlog. So, I would very much love it if you were to comment. In fact, become one of my new best friends. Not really though, because I already have too many best friends, and I get them all mixed up with friends and no friends and yeah. But there's this argument going around my group of freshman friends, and it's okay. Please tell me how stupid you think this is, or if you actually get the drift of how I think how stupid this is, and that it should just shut up, that it should just blow over, and everyone should shut up and not say a word to each other about it anyways. So, my friend, I'm gonna call her Carlos for now, because that's my nickname for her. Her real name is Cody, anyways, yeah. Anyways, so, her friend Britt, well, my friend Britt too, our friend Britt decided to tell Carlos's boyfriend Josh, I just know how I'm doing this, I just am, so yeah. Anyways, Britt decided to tell Josh she liked him, and Josh was like, lol, I like you back. Yeah, I guess how well that worked out in the end. Not very well at all. It all just kind of sucked and still sucks, and no one will shut up about it. It all just sucks. Major carrots. Yeah. Suckety suck. So much suck. Anyways, because the whole group's mad at Brit, and, well, not the whole group. Most people are mad at Brit, and it just, yeah, you know exactly what I'm gonna say. Sucks. Anyways, so I think that, it's going on 8 minutes, so I guess I should stop right now complaining, and yeah. Anyways, so until next time, which will actually hopefully be next week or later on this week, and not like 3 weeks from now, which sucks. Not being able to vlog for that amount of time, because you lose track of everything that's going on in your life. And okay, so Tuesday is WoW Day at my school, and WoW Day is basically where we have like 2 full class periods where we do nothing, basically. I mean, we do stuff, but not a lot. Anyways, WoW Day is where we basically get out of school. I'm really out of school. We have to stay at school, but we get to do nothing all day. Except go outside and have fun, frolic around outside with friends, and have fun, and there's a video we could possibly watch, and, well, videos, tapes, play in the auditorium in my school. Anyways, yeah, you don't care. No, not at all. But if you do, you can totally, comment in the bottom, and next video I shall tell you about what happened, and yeah. Yeah, only if next time I'm really, really, really hyper, because I had a milkshake, and so much hyperness in this person. Oh. Anyways. Thank you, Carl, for giving me because I had totally forgotten the password and login for the YouTube account, and it just, yeah, sucked. Yeah. So, anyways, I think even though today I've already put a video up on, my account, I might make another one, just because I can, and, yeah. Yeah, anyways, probably not, because it's kind of late. Anyways, so, I am now gonna go. Peace out, bros out. Love y'all. No peace to love. Happiness. Anyways, yeah. Bye, guys. Happy Mother's Day to all those mothers out there, and I hope you have a really great day. Bye.